If you've ever joined Microsoft's Window Insider program, picked the wrong channel, and then realized you'd have to wipe the whole PC to switch, well, that bit is gone. Microsoft just rebuilt the whole thing, and the change makes life a lot easier for normal people. Until now, there were three channels, and the names did not help: Dev, Canary, and Beta. Most people couldn't tell you which one was riskiest or which one would give them the most stable preview. That confusion is exactly what Microsoft is fixing. They've cut it down. Now there are two main channels: experimental, which replaces dev, and canary together. That's where the bleeding edge stuff lives. Beta, which is the safer preview of features shipping in the next few weeks. Release preview is still around as an advanced option for the cautious. Here's the change that actually matters day to day. You used to need a clean install of Windows just to move between channels, full wipe, fresh start, the lot. That's gone for most people. You can now switch between experimental, beta, and release preview without nuking your PC. Two quick things to know. First, there's a setting called Future Platforms inside experimental. That one still needs a wipe to leave because it's not tied to any released Windows version. Second, the beta channel no longer staggers features. If it's announced and you update it, you have it. So if you've been curious about trying Windows Insider but didn't fancy the risk of bricking your machine, it's a much friendlier program. Now, stick with beta for most things, dip into experimental. If you fancy the new toys, that's it. Catch you in the next one.